Summit Therapeutics is down 36% from its recent high. Is right now the perfect time to buy, and where could the price be going next? These are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video. And to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy, we are going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price went up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And usually in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find some support around here and bounce back up. And it looks like Summit Therapeutics is finding some support just below this golden zone. So what are some good areas to get into this stock at? The first area where you might want to consider getting into this stock is going to be around here. This is $20.30, and it is the area where we tend to see the price come down to once it breaks the golden zone. So this area is the safer option, but if you want a second option, another area where you might want to consider getting in is going to be around here. This is $22.30. We have seen support at this level before, and we have also seen the price find support at this area in the most recent candlestick. So an entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in at the higher level and averaging down at this level if the price continues retracing. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have an exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding Summit Therapeutics or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I put together a free video on my website explaining how I use this strategy to find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is as the price starts climbing up, these are the levels where we tend to see the price find resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these areas, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $32.73. The level above this is around here. This is $35.15. And the third level is going to be around here. This is $38.75. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.